Hello and welcome back to Minecraft as Gaeilge. Ooh, oh crap, this is bad. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. Alright, so... Oh, this guy's gonna get it. I do not want that badness. Ah, crap! Ah, stupid keyboard. Okay. Well, I wanted to do something fun for episode 10. And I got that mess. Oh. Okay. So I thought I'd start off the recording by showing that mess, and then all of a sudden that little zombie came out of nowhere. And I couldn't swing at him in whatever the hell was going on there. So I don't come into Nether very often because, as you can see, the Nether looks like crap. And I'm very afraid to step anywhere. Oh, don't be mad at me. Oh, don't be mad at me. Okay. Alright. I get... So, I don't know what exactly is going on there, but there is a shit ton of, those guys. I forget what they're called. Zombie pigmen. Zombie pigmen. There is a shit ton in there. I don't know why. That is weird. So I was like, oh, hey, let me show this off. This is cool to start off episode 10, a special episode a day. I'm like, let me show them off. There's a shit ton in there. There shouldn't be that many. They're like trapped in there for some reason. And then all of a sudden I'm being attacked by a zombie pigman, and I leave because if I was attacked by a little zombie. And I was like, all right, let me leave because I can't swing at him in there because if I miss him, I hit a zombie pigman and then I am dead for sure. If you attack one zombie pigman, they all attack you. So don't do that. So I had to get out of there so I could hit him, and then there was a little one of those guys, one of the little zombie pigmen running around. I almost hit him. And then when I finally killed that little zombie guy, the Enderman was mad at me. So, yeah. Anyway, so this is what the Nether looks like, and it is ugly as crap. So, these stone things here, I put here. That's natural, this is natural, and basically this area is supposed to be like hell. And you can see it is. That's a long way down. And pretty much all the mobs in here are hostile. These guys are neutral until you piss them off. So if I were to hit him, all his brothers from in there will come out and beat the shit out of me. And then they'll steal my stuff. They do. They will take your armor and they will wear it. So I want to get away from here. Yeah, it's weird that they're all trapped in there. That's really weird. There's a slime. A fire slime, or no, magma cube. Magma cube. Those guys are hostile. He's a little guy, though. The Endermen aren't naturally supposed to be in here, although I think they might spawn in here now, or something to that effect. The other big bad mob in here is a ghast, and it's basically a ghost. It is a giant, big, ghost-looking thing. They're a pain in the ass. Because they shoot fireballs at you, and if one hits you, it explodes, and you could potentially fall into lava and die. Yay. The other... there are some other mobs in here. I wanted to see one before we leave. In this series, I will rarely be in the Nether, because A, the Nether is ugly, and, you know, it's so much nicer out in the overworld is what it's called in Minecraft, and that's the regular world. You know, you wind up building tunnels like that to get around in here, and you don't see any of this crap. It winds up being pretty boring, except for except for like starting off the episode. And you can see in here, I've tried to do some light construction in here. All right. So, I've also managed to get a lot of, well, the other guy is, the Wither Skeleton. I've actually managed to get a lot of Wither Skeletons because, as I mentioned in the last episode, oh, shit. Blazes are another mob that I forgot about, and they just shoot fire at you. I don't want to go near him. I don't know why I saved. I got some lag here. What is going on? I don't know why I waited the combat update to show this area off. That was pretty stupid of me. So, yeah. So this nether brick here is what's natural. You can see I started to put these guys in here so I could see the wither skeletons better because those guys are all black and I'm playing on a very bright setting. So it's still tough to see them. And hopefully we can see one. So, as I mentioned in the last episode, I don't cheat a lot. But there is a glitch, and I haven't been able to find anything on the forums about it, so I'm kind of curious as to why it seems like it's a glitch. But you can see there's a skeleton down there. Ooh, there is a wither skeleton down there. You see him? Ah, see? They're very hard to see. See him? He's the tall guy here. Oh, there's a few of them. Yeah, come on. Come on. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Nope. Nope.